box. The box. So, welcome back to Unbox. Welcome back to T and Tony TV. What we have here, you seen the thumbnail. You already know what it is. This is the Air Force One Stussy Nike collab. So, official colorway, black on black on black. If you wanted another language, NEEWER. This is a size 10. Women's size will be 11.5. Retail on these joints, I don't know why Nike keep taking the retail off. I owe you another answer for the retail of these. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the shoe. And while we're here, boom. Here's the shoe, man. These did come with an extra pair of laces. Black laces. We got the Stussy emblem right there. Got it on the back here on the heel. Got a little bit right here on the tongue action. And what it say? New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, London, and Paris. So, other than this little part right here on the tongue, the quality is on point. You got Stussy right there. I don't know if this is supposed to be like python or snake skin, whatever the hell you want to call it. Let me get the other shoe out. Okay, so the tongue on this one is not like that. It was a little frayed or whatever on this one, but you already know, man. First and foremost, I know the jokes. Black Air Force Ones. You up to no good. You know what I'm saying? But these ain't just black Air Force Ones. You know what I'm saying? Let me put my phone on silent. Anyway, black Air Force Ones, man. Usually you see somebody in these, they about that action. You know what I'm saying? Something about to go down. But these right here, man, when I put these on, I'm going to make sure y'all see when I put these on. I'm going to go ahead and drop a picture in the community tab so y'all can see these right here. So, without further ado, you know why we here. You know how we do. We're going to get right into the B-roll so you can get an up-close look at these shoes. This Nike Air Force One Mid Stussy collab. Black on black on black on black. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this was the Nike Air Force One Mid in the black on black colorway. This is a collab with Stussy. You know what I'm saying? I always love the brand. I could never get none of the collabs because they sell out. But I hit on Nike, so I had to share with y'all. But, like always, thanks for watching Unbox on T and Tony TV. And I'm out.